Right, Tomato High School keeps a database of information about each student, including the numeric variables, number of absences, and grade point average. The expression below is used to determine whether a student is eligible to receive an academic award. Okay, so the question is asking which of the following pairs of values indicates that a student is eligible to receive an academic award. So the value pairs would be one that makes this condition true, right? Because this is the condition that allows us to determine whether a student is eligible to receive an award, and that's what they're asking. Which value pairs would make the student eligible to receive an award? So notice that it has to be both because this is an and. The number of absences has to be less than or equal to 5, and also the grade point average has to be over 3.5. So just based on that, we can start by canceling out some answer choices. So if the number of absences has to be less than or equal to 5, that means that any number of absences that it doesn't meet that, for example, 6, would not be allowable because they have to be less than 5 or equal to 5. So 3 or 5 is fine because both 3 and 5 are either less than 5 or equal to 5. And then the grade point average has to be greater than 3.5. So exactly 3.5 would not work. And 3.4 is obviously not greater than 3.5. So based on this, the only one that would end up being a possibility would be B. 5 is matches less than or equal to 5, true, and 3.8 is greater than 3.5. So the answer is B.